Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm your host, Petalisbless, and I'm coming on today to share with you another DIY, two DIYs, and here are the items for our first DIY. So let's get into today's DIY, and if you're ready, you know what time it is. It's time to grab your tea/coffee and a donut or a muffin with that, and let's get started. I have these two foam circles here that I got from the Dollar Tree, and we're just going to use some hot glue and glue them together. Alright, now we have these tennis balls here that we are going to use to make our candle holder. This is so cute. I saw Dazzling Designs by Denise make a wall decor with these tennis balls, and I thought that would look nice with a candle holder. So that's what we're doing today. She always says such great ideas of items to use to do DIYs with, and we're doing our candle holder with the tennis balls. So we're just going to glue them going all the way around with the hot glue, and then we'll layer them on top of each other, continue going up in a circle. So if this is your first time here, welcome. And I hope you will hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY. And to my oldies and my goodies, you know you're my glamsters. Thank you for clicking on today's video to see today's DIY. You know I really appreciate you guys. And I hope everyone will give me a thumbs up. Yeah, give me a like if you like today's DIY. So we're just going to continue adding our layers, which I'm going to do 3. And then I will take our candle holder outside and spray paint it black. So here is our candle holder all spray painted black and dry. So we are just going to use some of this bling chain here, and I'm also going to use some of this bling ribbon to add a little decor to our candle holder. Now we'll do the same thing, place our bling ribbon going all the way around, and you can use any adhesive that you would like to glue down your project. Okay, now we are going to use some black glitter. Yeah, I'm just going to add some black glitter to our decor to make the black stand out a little bit more, and I'll be using some Mod Podge. So I'm just going to mix the glitter and the Mod Podge together, and then apply it to our candle holder, and then I will set it aside for it to dry. And here is DIY number 1. Our candle holder. I love how it turned out, and by using the tennis balls. Isn't that really neat? OMG. The easy and inexpensive Glam candle. Yeah, and it's in black and gold. And I love how I added the sparkles to the black, so it's not a flat finish. It gives a little bit of gloss. It gives it a nice touch. And here it is with the candle on top. Okay, everyone, you know in the beginning I added the Mod Podge and the glitter to these balls. I had to go back over and paint the balls black again, and then add the black glitter in with the paint. Yeah, just sprinkle it over before the paint dries, and that's much better because the Mod Podge was drying whitish on the balls. Now on to DIY number 2, and these are the items that we will be using. Alright everyone, here is our vase, which I spray painted black on the inside. Like you know, I like to spray paint or paint inside of my vases. So we're going to add some of this Glam ribbon here, going right around, and I will be using some hot glue. And now I'll be adding some of this Glam chain, going right around our vase. 2 strips, one on the top and one on the bottom. And for this, I'll be using some E6000. And now I'll be adding some of my favorite gems from Totally Dazzled. Oh gosh, these gems, like I tell you, add a touch of elegance to whatever you place them on. Okay, so they have clips on the back. You just use a little pliers or something and take them off. They're very easy to come off. And then now I'm just positioning where I want it to go. And now I'll just be adding one of these candle holders to the bottom of our vase. Okay, now I have some flowers here, which I will be putting some large and small gold glitter on them, and I'll be using the Mod Podge to do that. I didn't see any gold flowers that I wanted, so, and I wasn't going to go to Michael's. Michael's is too expensive right now, not budget friendly. So I'm going to add some gold to these flowers that I got in the Dollar Tree and make them my own. Yes. Remember I told you, you can, if you don't get the flowers you want, you know, get some light color flowers and glam them up yourself. Budget friendly. And here is DIY number 2, our glam vase. I like how it turned out. I think it looks really nice, and I love it with the gold and the black. Baby, why's your man not here? Tell me where he gone. Tell me why's your man not here? Tell me, why isn't he here? Why isn't he here? Yeah. And here's how it looks with flowers inside. Our gold flowers that we did ourselves. Yes, we DIY'd our own gold flowers, which I think they turned out absolutely beautiful. And here are our 2 glam decors, the vase and the candle holder on display. I think they look absolutely beautiful. I love how the black looks, and like I told you, I heard black is in. Yes. Black with any color that you want is absolutely beautiful. But I really love how it looks with the gold. Alright, my glamsters, I have a $25 gift card to give away for you guys from Totally Dazzled. And you can choose all her gems, anything on her site you can choose with this $25 gift card. It's whatever you desire you can get. Rules: you must be subscribed to my channel and Totally Dazzled's channel. And if you're entering the giveaway, I would like you to comment Totally Dazzled within whatever comment you're leaving. The giveaway runs until March 19th, 2021. And remember, all the info is down below in the description box. On March the 19th, I have a timeless elegance video I will be uploading, and within that video I will have the winner. Remember, March 19th, I will tell you who the winner is in that video. Once again, if it's your first time here, I do hope you press that subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell so you'll become part of the Glamster team. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's DIY that I had to share with you. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye, everyone.